Hey YouTubers, Mike Borders with the Mike Borders channel. Thank you for watching. Today we are talking an error code on your vehicle, C0040. And the vehicle that we're working on today is a GM vehicle, a Chevy Colorado. So let's head out to the vehicle and show you and talk to you and explain a little bit more about this error code. Alright YouTubers, out in the garage now, and I want to show you the check engine light. It's no different than any other vehicle check engine light. There it is. Let's go ahead and grab our OBD onboard diagnostic scanner, and this is the OBD connection port that we will connect to. The bottom side is where you will find your connection point port here. Let's go ahead and plug in the scanner. Scanner is in place. Properly align the connection point up on the port there. That will automatically turn on the scanner, which is cool. And the cool thing about this scanner, it has a auto ID, as you can see here. Click enter, and it wants us to turn the key off for 10 seconds and then turn the key on. And after 10 seconds, key coming on, and select enter. And from here, it is communicating with the vehicle, and there it is. 2008 Chevy Colorado 3.7. That is the liter engine. Is this correct? Yes, it is. Let's select enter. And it is working through all the computer inputs to figure out where the code is coming from. Check that out. Okay, so quick test results. Read all codes. Right front wheel speed sensor circuit. That is a C0040 code. And from here, my favorite button is this code connect push button. Selecting that will tell us the top reported fix. Number 1, replaced right front wheel bearing and wheel speed sensor assembly. So we might need to replace that. Below that are frequent reported fixes: replace front wheel speed sensor hub assembly, the left front wheel bearing and wheel speed sensor assembly, and number 3, replaced right front wheel bearing. So looks like we got a DIY project. Let's head to the computer and learn more about this. From here, all we have to do is carefully disconnect the scanner, head inside, and get on the computer. All right, YouTubers, on the computer now. The very first thing I did was went to google.com and I searched 2008 Chevy Colorado 4-wheel drive speed sensor and hub assembly. And the first couple links were directing you to purchase your parts from eBay. And so with that said, I went to eBay, and this is where we are now. As you can see here, front wheel hub bearing right, and it is a new part, fits Isuzu i370, as well as 2007 and 2008 Colorado 4x4 with ABS. And that's important because in the event that you do not have a 4-wheel drive, your part will be a different part number. So scrolling down, this is a really good diagram of it. I'm going to select that picture, and as you can see here, you've got your hub, and that black circular ring on the tip or top of your hub is your magnetic ring, and connected to it is that electrical wiring into that plastic portion, and that is basically your sensor, and then that feeds all the way to the electrical wiring and your electrical connection point, which will be deeper inside your actual wheel well. And I'll also click on this, and this is a pretty cool image. You can see all of the letters indicate the actual names of each part, and additional photos here, as you can see. Back to this image, and very important, ABS sensor. The lug nut is a 6 lug, and again, front axle right, 1-year warranty. All we will need right now is one, so we are going to purchase the one at $50.99, which it shows down here we're saving 33%. That's always good. And continuing down here, free shipping and returns accepted. So what we will do is we will purchase this hub assembly, and during the time it takes for that part to be shipped to our house, we are going to go to our local AutoZone, and we are going to purchase just the actual speed sensor itself that is not connected to an actual hub assembly. And what we will do in a different video, in the event that you are actually interested in this, is we will compare the speed sensor that is not connected to the hub against the actual speed sensor that comes connected to this hub assembly. We will also talk about the price comparison and whether or not we recommend purchasing the hub assembly with the speed sensor already attached or purchasing the speed sensor separately. So definitely check that out. We will link that video down below in the description section as well as the comment section. That's it, YouTubers. At this point, we have a much better understanding of the C0040 error code and what part we need to purchase. In the event that you want guidance on replacing that part, scrolling above is a step-by-step video. Definitely check that out. Do us a favor, below the video, you will see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely go to your settings, turn on your YouTube notification bell. Once you do that, every video that we upload, you will be notified. You will be able to stay up to date with us, and that will be awesome. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you at the next video.